buddy. You're good? All right, thank you. Yeah, Daddy has to do a monologue. Go, off you go. Yeah, take care. Bye, buddy. Good to see you. Welcome to the show, everybody. Did you guys see this last night? Elon Musk and President Trump held a press conference in the Oval Office, and they were joined by Elon's 4-year-old son. Don Jr. was like, wait a minute, my dad said there's no such thing as take your son to work day. Well, yeah, not only was Elon's son there, he actually climbed onto his dad.